Hello everyone, this is Princey and today we will be learning one amazing trick of pivot table. So let's see what it is and how to do it. Here we have the sales data, product wise sales data with different payment types and region. Now, our objective is to create a summary of each region in different sheets. So, let's see how to do it in just a few clicks. Select the range, go to Insert, Pivot Table, from Table or Range, and click on OK. Now our sheet has been inserted with a pivot table. Now let's say sales will go to sum of sales and let's have region in filter pages and let's put the products here and let's format this like this. Now, our objective is to have different sheets for each region. Now, let's see how to do it. So, we'll go to pivot table analyze. In this, we will go to pivot table. Then, we will click on this little drop down on the right hand side of options. And then we will click on show report filter pages and see here it asks you show all report filter pages of region. Let's say OK, and all your pivots are created in just few clicks. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.